Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on September 15th and 16th, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. Greenpeace Day. Greenpeace Day is celebrated on September 15th every year. It marks the anniversary of the founding of Greenpeace, an international environmental organization that was established in 1971. The day is used to celebrate the achievements of Greenpeace and to raise awareness about the ongoing challenges faced by the environment. People often mark the occasion by participating in environmental activities, such as tree planting, beach cleanups, or attending educational events. It's a great opportunity to get involved and make a positive impact on the environment. International Day of Democracy. The International Day of Democracy is observed on September 15th each year around the world. This day was established by the United Nations General Assembly in 2007 to promote and uphold the principles of democracy. Democracy is a form of government in which the people have the authority to choose their governing legislation and officials. It is a day to celebrate the values of freedom, respect for human rights, and the principle of holding periodic and genuine elections by universal suffrage. It is also a day to review the state of democracy around the world and to promote and support democratic governance and the rule of law. Despite the advances in democracy in the past few decades, there is still much work to be done to ensure that everyone has access to free and fair elections, and that governments are accountable to their citizens. Many countries still face challenges related to democratic governance, such as political repression, corruption, and limitations on the freedom of expression. The International Day of Democracy serves as a reminder of the ongoing struggle for democracy and the importance of promoting and defending democratic values and principles worldwide. National Cheese Toast Day. National Cheese Toast Day is celebrated on September 15th each year in the United States. It is a day to celebrate and enjoy this simple and delicious dish, which consists of a slice of bread topped with butter and cheese, then toasted until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Cheese toast is a popular comfort food in the United States and around the world, and can be enjoyed on its own or as a side dish with soups or salads. Celebrating National Cheese Toast Day is easy. Simply make and enjoy some cheese toast. You can make it as simple or as fancy as you like, using different types of bread and cheese, and adding toppings like tomatoes, herbs, or even a drizzle of honey. You can also celebrate by visiting a restaurant that serves cheese toast, or by having a cheese toast party with friends and family. National Double Cheeseburger Day. National Double Cheeseburger Day is celebrated on September 15th each year in the United States. It is a day dedicated to celebrating and enjoying this classic American dish, which consists of 2 beef patties, 2 slices of cheese, and usually includes toppings such as lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, and condiments, all sandwiched between a bun. The double cheeseburger is a variation of the classic cheeseburger, which is a staple in American cuisine and is enjoyed by people all over the world. The double cheeseburger is particularly popular among those who are extra hungry and want a more substantial meal. To celebrate National Double Cheeseburger Day, many people enjoy a double cheeseburger from their favorite restaurant or make their own at home. It's a great opportunity to get creative with your toppings and experiment with different combinations of flavors. Whether you enjoy your double cheeseburger with the classic toppings or try something new, be sure to celebrate National Double Cheeseburger Day with a delicious meal. Batman Day. Batman Day is celebrated annually on the 3rd Saturday in September. It is a day to celebrate one of the most popular and enduring superheroes of all time. Batman, also known as the Dark Knight, was created by artist Bob Kane and writer Bill Finger, and first appeared in Detective Comics number 27 in 1939. Since then, Batman has appeared in numerous comic books, television shows, movies, and video games, and has become an iconic symbol of justice and heroism. Batman Day is celebrated by fans all over the world with various events, activities, and special promotions. Comic book stores, libraries, and bookstores often host Batman-themed events, and many retailers offer special deals on Batman merchandise. It's a great opportunity for fans to come together and celebrate their love for the Dark Knight. Whether you are a longtime fan or new to the world of Batman, Batman Day is the perfect time to celebrate this iconic superhero. National Dance Day. National Dance Day is an annual celebration in the United States dedicated to dance as an art form and as a means of promoting physical fitness and well-being. It is typically held on the 3rd Saturday in September. The day was created by Nigel Lythgoe, the co-creator of So You Think You Can Dance and co-founder of the Dizzy Feet Foundation, in 2010. It is a grassroots movement that encourages Americans of all ages and backgrounds to get out and dance. Various events, workshops, and dance activities take place across the country on National Dance Day. Dance enthusiasts, professionals, and organizations come together to host events in their communities, promoting the joy and benefits of dance. The day is not just for professional or experienced dancers. Everyone is encouraged to participate and celebrate dance, regardless of skill level. Whether you enjoy ballet, hip-hop, ballroom, or any other form of dance, National Dance Day is the perfect opportunity to celebrate and share your passion for dance. Collect Rocks Day. Collect Rocks Day is celebrated on September 16th each year. It is a day dedicated to the hobby of rock collecting, and it's a great opportunity for rock collectors and enthusiasts to get outside, explore nature, and add new specimens to their collection. Rocks can be found in a variety of locations, from your own backyard to the great outdoors. Whether you are a seasoned rock collector or just starting out, Collect Rocks Day is the perfect time to learn more about geology, discover new types of rocks and minerals, and share your passion for rock collecting with others. Many people find rock collecting to be a relaxing and rewarding hobby. It's a great way to spend time outdoors, explore new areas, and learn about the natural world. There are many different types of rocks and minerals to collect, from common varieties like quartz and granite to rare and valuable specimens like crystals and gemstones. If you're new to rock collecting, Collect Rocks Day is a great time to get started. You can begin by collecting rocks from your local area and then gradually expand your collection as you learn more about different types of rocks and minerals. International Red Panda Day. International Red Panda Day is celebrated on the third Saturday in September each year. It is a day dedicated to raising awareness about the red panda and the conservation efforts needed to protect its natural habitat. The red panda, also known as the firefox, is a small mammal native to the eastern Himalayas and southwestern China. It is listed as endangered on the Yukon Red List of threatened species because its wild population is estimated at less than 10,000 mature individuals and continues to decline due to habitat loss, fragmentation, and poaching. Zoos, conservation organizations, and animal lovers worldwide celebrate International Red Panda Day with various activities and events aimed at raising awareness about the red panda and its conservation needs. Activities often include educational presentations, animal encounters, and fundraising events to support red panda conservation efforts. International Coastal Cleanup Day. International Coastal Cleanup Day is a global event that takes place on the third Saturday in September each year. It is the world's largest single-day volunteer effort to clean up the marine environment. Every year, thousands of volunteers from around the world come together to remove trash from beaches, rivers, and other waterways. The event is organized by the Ocean Conservancy, a non-profit environmental organization based in the United States. The goal of International Coastal Cleanup Day is not only to remove trash from the marine environment but also to collect data on the types and amounts of debris being found. This data is then used to inform policy and advocacy efforts aimed at reducing marine debris at its source. The event also aims to raise awareness about the issue of marine debris and to inspire people to take action to prevent trash from entering the ocean. Participating in International Coastal Cleanup Day is a great way to make a positive impact on the environment and to contribute to the global effort to combat marine debris. Volunteers of all ages and backgrounds are encouraged to participate, and cleanup events are organized in many locations around the world. Whether you join an organized event or simply head out to your local beach or river with a trash bag and gloves, every effort counts. Together, we can make a difference and help protect our oceans and waterways for future generations. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.